Hey everyone, welcome back to Career Q. You're wasting your money on LinkedIn Premium. If you think paying for premium is the only way to connect with recruiters and HR, you're wrong. There are better AI tools that can automate networking, fix your profile, and help you land interviews for free or way cheaper. In this video, I'll show you 8 powerful AI tools that make LinkedIn networking faster, smarter, and more effective, so you can get recruiters' attention without spending hundreds on LinkedIn Premium. Why you don't need LinkedIn Premium? Why? Most people get LinkedIn Premium thinking it'll magically get them job offers. But guess what? It doesn't work like that. Instead of paying $40 plus per month, you can use AI tools to automate outreach and follow-ups, improve your LinkedIn profile, analyze recruiter behavior, and personalize messages, get past ATS and rank higher in search results. So let's dive into the best AI tools that can replace LinkedIn Premium. Number 1, Zopto. Automate LinkedIn outreach. Tired of manually sending connection requests? Zopto automates the entire process. What it does, sends personalized LinkedIn invites to recruiters and hiring managers. Uses AI to target the right people based on job roles and industries. Automates follow-ups so you don't have to keep messaging manually. Why it's great? It saves hours of networking time. Number 2, Linked Helper. Smart LinkedIn automation. Linked Helper takes LinkedIn networking to the next level. This AI tool auto-connects with recruiters with a personal touch. Auto-endorses skills to boost credibility. Sends bulk messages without looking spammy. Why it's great? It feels like real networking without the manual effort. Number 3, Resume Worded. Fix your LinkedIn profile. If your LinkedIn profile isn't getting noticed, Resume Worded will fix it. What it does, analyzes your LinkedIn profile and gives a score, suggests keyword improvements for recruiter searches, fixes your headline, summary, and job descriptions. Why it's great? It makes your profile recruiter-friendly in minutes. Crystal. Know how to message recruiters. Ever wondered why some recruiters never reply? It's because you're messaging them wrong. What Crystal does, analyzes a recruiter's personality, tells you if they prefer detailed or casual messages, helps you write messages they're more likely to respond to. Why it's great? You send messages that match the recruiter's style, which means higher chances of a reply. Number 5, Waalaxy. Build stronger connections. Following up is key in networking, and Waalaxy does it for you. What it does, sends automated follow-ups without being annoying, helps build long-term LinkedIn relationships, keeps track of who's engaging with your profile. Why it's great? Networking isn't just about adding people, it's about staying in touch. Number 6, Jobscan. Optimize for recruiter searches. Want recruiters to find you instead of you chasing them? Use Jobscan. What it does, scans job descriptions and tells you missing keywords, helps you tailor your LinkedIn profile for recruiter searches, increases your chances of appearing in recruiter search results. Why it's great? Recruiters will see your profile more often. Number 7, LinkedRadar. Smart auto greetings. Want to make a great first impression? LinkedRadar helps you do that automatically. Sends personalized greetings when someone connects with you. Makes conversations feel natural, not robotic. Helps you start engaging without awkward intros. Why it's great? Your first message matters. Number 8, Dux-Soup. Auto-endorse skills and engage faster. The easiest way to boost credibility is by getting endorsed. What Dux-Soup does, auto-endorses relevant skills on LinkedIn, engages with posts and recruiters on your behalf, helps you build trust and visibility faster. Why it's great? More endorsements equals higher credibility. Number 9, Prentice, LinkedIn Profile Analyzer. If you want a full LinkedIn profile audit, Prentice does that. What it does, you grades your LinkedIn profile based on job market trends. You shows what's missing, keywords, details, engagement, suggests what to improve for better visibility. Why it's great, it's like a LinkedIn health check. Finally, stop paying for premium. Now you know the secret tools recruiters use, but most job seekers don't. Here's your action plan. Pick 2 to 3 AI tools that fit your job search needs. Start automating connections and optimizing your profile. Use smart follow ups and messaging to increase recruiter responses. Which tool are you excited to try first? Comment below. And if you want more career hacks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Career Q. Thanks for watching.